very easy to understand the cardinal number of set. So we have to count the elements individually. Elements could be a numerical value, elements could be an alphabetical value, elements could be nothing, elements could be any name of the month, elements could be the name of the students in a class. So in this way we do this. Students, in a special way, two sets we have to learn here. First one is equivalent set, another is equal set. Most of the time students are getting confused in between the equivalent set and equal set. As name is specified, equivalent set, equal set. So we are talking here at a one time more than two sets. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal. It doesn't mean A is for equivalent, B is for equal. No, it doesn't mean. And B is equal A, B, C. You can see A is equal 1, 2, 3. B is equal A, B, C. And C is equal 2, 3, C, D, A. Here three sets we are considering: A, B and C. In A, elements are 1, 2, 3. In B, elements are A, B, C. In C, elements are 2, 3, C, D, A. Now equivalent set. If number of elements are equal, A is equivalent to B. This sign is equivalent sign. A set A is equivalent to B, equivalent to B. Because number of elements are equal, must be equal. 1, 2, 3. Total elements 3. Here A, B, C. Total elements 3. So cardinal number of A is equal cardinal number of B. That means A equivalent to B. In equal set, all elements must be same. A is, that is equal sign, all we know. A is not equivalent to B. A is equivalent to B, but sorry, A is not equal to B. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. These two sets are not equal, but these two sets are equivalent. Another set D is equal 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. All the elements 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So A and B are equal set. So students, make the difference between the equal set, equivalent set as well as equal set. I hope so it is clear to all of you. If any doubt is there, so we'll consider in the next class or in the next video. Few things I am to discuss with you. As I interacted with the students, some of the students are not able to even write the sets. If I am asking them to write the roster form, suppose the right answer must be A is equal to 4, 6, 8. The students are writing A is equal to 4, 6, 8. This is wrong method. This is correct method. Use the curly braces. If you are not using the curly braces, that is wrong. What is this point? Let us take some example from the chapter. As I have given you the assignments to do it. Exercise first A, question number 5. Let us take any one question. Second part we are considering here, it is given, write the following sets in the set builder form: 0, 5, 10, 15. We are to convert, this is the roster form, we are to convert it into the set builder form. Let us take B. This B we can take from our side. In set builder form, B is equal X such that, find out the student the common properties of all elements. Given elements 0, 5, 10, 15, all are the multiples of 5. While all are the multiples of 5, define X. X is the individual elements at a certain time. X is equal to 5n. The multiple of 5, 5n. Where n belongs to, starting from 0, if we are putting here 0, 5 into 0, x is equal to 0, 5 into 0, 0, that means x is equal to 0, first element, n belongs to w, starting with a w. You can see, let us take some rough work. Elements are giving 5, 10, 15, it is the rough work. Take 5 common. 0, 1, 2, 3. Five we have taken common here. The value of n, 0, 1, 2, 3. So n belongs to W and n must be equal to 3. The value of n starting from 0 up to 3, 0 to 3. Once you will write here 0, 5 zeros are 0. While you will do 1, 5 1 are 1. While you will put 2, 5 2 are 10. While you will put 3, 5 3 are 15. Now stop there. This is the rough work and this is the set builder form. Quickly take another example. It is given that, let us take question number 6. Third part, C is equal X such that X is less than 5 and X belongs to Z. Wow, Z. Z means integer. So what we have to do here, we have to identify finite or infinite set, find the cardinal number if the set is finite. So Z is infinite, Z means all you must remember, minus infinite dot 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 dot, minus 1, 0, 1 dot 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 and infinite. Both side infinite, right, as well as in left. So C is equal less than 5, minus infinite dot 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 dot, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Stop. So it is a infinite. Hope so, students. You got these concepts today, and the assignment. These concepts will help you in the assignments that you received, that you got in our class, Google class. And do all the assignments on the time. If any doubt is there, then you can clear it on our class, the online class. If still you are having some problem, so note my WhatsApp number. Eight 399 28852. Before ending this video, students, I would like to request you one thing, that there is a group for our online study. So I request all the students, do not chat, do not do any kind of the communication on the group. If you want to ask, if you want to say something to me, or you want to communicate with me, so my WhatsApp number is there, so directly contact on my WhatsApp number, not on the group. Thank you guys.